Students, as you all know that yesterday I have discussed you the English literature workbook. So today I am also going to discuss with the same book. Okay, so there is no confusion. You have to do your work in the workbook only. Okay, this is your page number 19 of English literature workbook. So you are seeing that three girls are there in the book, shown in the picture. What you all have to do? You all have to do the comparison between three. Okay. So, first example is given. In the first exercise, write sentences about the three girls. Use the same as the word in the brackets. Okay. So, these three girls are there, and in the bracket you are seeing that three options are given: dog, hair and blouse. So, what you all have to do? You all have to compare Malini with Rupa and Rupa with Namita. So, I am going to discuss how you complete this exercise. In the first example given, Malini's face is the same as Rupa's. You are seeing the picture of Malini and Rupa. Both faces are similar. So, Malini's face is the same as Rupa's. Next, Rupa's height is not the same as Namita's. Means this is Rupa. Her height was not same as Namita's. You are seeing that Namita is much taller than Rupa. And the third is Namita's skirt is different from Rupa's. You are seeing in the picture that Namita, the third picture, skirt was not similar to Rupa. Na? There is difference in the skirts. So, what you all have to do? Come to the exercise 1. I am going to discuss you how to you can complete it into the workbook. Okay. Write it with the help of pencil only in the workbook. So, first option is given. You are seeing that dog is there. Na? What you can write in the fill up? You can write Malini has a dog. Malini has a dog as the same as Namita. Okay, so first option is complete like this. You can use the word dog. Okay, come to the second one. Second option is given hair. Na? So what you can write? Malini's hair is the same as Rupa's. You have to fill with the help of pencil like this in your book also. Okay. Next is C. C option is given blouse. So what you can write? Malini's blouse is the same as Rupa's. You all have to write as similar I have given you in the copy. You have to write it into the book only. Come to the exercise. Three. This is the exercise 2. Come to the exercise 3. Use is not, are not the same as to write these statements about the girls. Means three options are given. You have to choose this and you have to use is not and are not. Okay. So what you can write? Namita's hair is not the same as Rupa's. First is completed like this. Here is there and is not you can use. So you can write like this. Come to the next. Next is Namita's nose is not the same as Rupa's. You can see the picture and compare it. Okay. Nose we can use and is not we have to write. Next, third option is given shoes. So, Namita's shoes aren't or are not the same as Malini's. Okay. So, you can complete it like this. Come to the third. Come to the fourth exercise. Use different from to write these sentences to write about the girls. You have to write different in between and use the options bag, watch and earrings. So you can write like this. Namita's bag is different from Malini's. Different from Malini's. You can complete it like this. Bag option is there. We can use bag and word different also. Come to the second one. Second is given watch. So what you can write? Second, Namita is different. Namita is different from Malini. Malini, she is not wearing a watch. So you can complete it like this, second one. Now come to the next, last. You have to use earrings option. You can write Malini's earring is different from Rupa's. So what you all have to do, you all have to complete this 3 exercises in your workbook with the help of pencil only in a neat and clean handwriting. Don't use pen. And what is your homework? You have to revise all the exercises. Thank you, beta. Okay.